One.
Hello Cougars, this is Dr. Jim Brewer, District Administrator for the Clinton Community School District, and the shout out of the week this week goes to the Clinton Booster Club, and representing the Booster Club today is?
Tyree Gamble, Athletic Director for Clinton Community School District.
And the shout out this week goes to the Booster Club because this is one of the biggest events that the Booster Club has, and this is the Super Bowling event. Okay, it's an annual event. It's been going on for a long time. It encompasses trivia and bowling, silent auction prizes and things of that nature. It truly is one of the larger fundraising events that the Booster Club has, and the Booster Club is so important to the Clinton Community School District and our students. Can you tell us a little bit more about this event?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's this coming Saturday, like you mentioned. Registration will start about 5 o'clock. Trivia will start at 6. It's done by Mr. Ray Vance, local name. Everybody knows Mr. Vance. He does a great job with trivia every year. Last year was the first year I was able to attend and had a great time. And then you do a little bit of bowling afterwards. And then there's, of course, some silent auction items that you can go around and bid on. Some things kind of have a tendency to go into a bidding war, which is kind of fun to see the competitiveness that kind of comes out, but it's all in good fun.
It is all in good fun, and I do want to give a shout out too to the Cougar Lanes, Mark and everybody down at Cougar Lanes, Brad and everybody else associated with it. They give us a great deal, I know, for this event, and certainly host a lot of folks. I mean, this is a big event. I mean, we'll have all lanes being full with teams.
Yeah. Typically, like last year, we had everything was full. Lanes were all full, and we had a good number of trivia teams too. The trivia was a lot of fun, and I will say I'm hoping to do much better this year than I did last year.
Sure.
Well, my team and I we're preparing. So
you're preparing.
Good luck to everybody out there this week.
Okay, it's not competitive at all.
Not at all.
So this is a really big event for us. I know it brings in a large sum of donations to the Booster Club. Where does this money go?
Yeah, so the money will then go to the Booster Club, and then they different clubs or activities or athletics will come to them, and if they have a need, they'll come in, and the Booster Club is very generous in helping support whoever here at school, whether that be the basketball team or the baseball team, or even DECA or Clay Busters, esports, the band, choir, whoever the case may be. That might need support, the Booster Club will be more than happy.
Because they're just there to support kids.
Yes, absolutely.
That's just it. How does somebody get involved in the Booster Club? Like if they want to, come to a meeting, when are the meetings, and give us a little more information on
Yeah, absolutely. So we meet the second Wednesday of every month, 7 o'clock right here at school in the Commons, typically. Mrs. Schallenberger, so Tan Schallenberger is our Booster Club president. You can get in touch with her or myself.
Okay.
If you wanted to get involved in any particular way. We are looking for someone to take the lead on some concession stand stuff, because that is a big duty that goes along with the Booster Club, but it's also a big fundraiser or money maker for the Booster Club as well, which helps with a lot. Helps with supporting a lot of different things.
You bet. So if you're looking for something fun to do this Saturday down at Cougar Lanes, the annual Super Bowling event, trivia, led by Ray and his beautiful wife, are leading the trivia. They always have a Clinton section on the trivia to end it up. So some of us who didn't grow up in Clinton have a little harder time, or if you're not married to somebody who graduated from Clinton, it can be a little more tricky, but nevertheless, come on out. It's a great event to support our kids and all endeavors. I really want to thank the Booster Club, Tana, and everybody else associated, because without that support, we wouldn't be able to do a lot of the stuff that we do for our kids. So if you're looking for something fun to do this Saturday night, what time does it start?
It starts at 6 o'clock for the trivia, and I just want to say thank you to all of the businesses that are donating as well, because that's a big part of it as well.
That's awesome. Go Cougars.